I thought I had to spend several $100s to get a vacuum and mop combo that would actually work, but then I found this Tikom one that totally fits into my budget. It moves from hardwood to carpet seamlessly and picks up the mop head so it doesn't get your carpet wet. You have the capability to schedule cleaning, pick mop only, vacuum only, or both, change the suction level, and change the amount of water that comes out of the mop. It keeps track of the lifespan of all of the parts inside of the robot vacuum, and you can even set it on a schedule to run whenever you want it to automatically. This has worked incredibly. I have not cleaned our floors in 3 months, and with 2 dogs and 2 kids, they're actually spotless. I'm gonna link it below because I don't think you guys will believe this price.